In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a pulse effect in Clipchamp, step by step. The pulse effect is a great way to make your videos more dynamic by creating a subtle zoom in and out animation that grabs attention. You can use it on text, images, or video clips to highlight important moments, emphasize beats and music, or simply add more energy to your edits. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a brand new project from the home screen or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your media is already imported into the media library. If not, click on the Import Media button and upload the video clip you want to edit. Drag your selected clip down onto the timeline so you can start working with it. Position the playhead exactly where you want the pulse effect to begin. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline where you want to add the pulse effect. If you only want the pulse effect to appear during a specific section of the clip, move the playhead to the starting point and click on the split button. Then move the playhead to where you want the effect to end and click split again. This isolates that section of the video, so the effect only applies to that specific portion instead of the entire clip. With the correct clip segment selected in the timeline, go to the right side of the screen and click on the Effects tab. This will open the Effects panel, where you can browse through different visual effects available in Clipchamp. Scroll through the list until you find the pulse effect. The preview thumbnails will help you identify it quickly. Once you see the pulse effect, click on it to apply it to your selected clip segment. After applying the pulse effect, you'll notice new customization options appear. Here you can adjust the speed and the amount of the pulse. The speed controls how fast the zoom in and out animation happens, while the amount controls how strong or subtle the pulse looks. If you want a dramatic effect, increase the amount and slightly raise the speed. If you prefer something smooth and subtle, lower the amount and keep the speed moderate. Play back your video in the preview window to see how it looks and make small adjustments until you're happy with the result. And that's it. That's how you add and customize a pulse effect in Clipchamp. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how engaging your videos feel. Remember, you can always split multiple sections and apply the pulse effect to different parts of your video for creative results. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp editing guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.